Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates. Today, we're taking a look at the brand new Nintendo Switch OLED Pokémon Scarlet and Violet game console. This thing is an absolute gamachanger, and if you're a Pokémon fan or just a gaming enthusiast in general, you're going to want to stick around for this one. First off, let's talk about the 7-inch OLED screen. It's absolutely stunning, with vibrant colors and incredible clarity. Whether you're playing at home or on the go, this screen is going to make your gaming experience so much more immersive. Not all, this console also features 3 game modes, allowing you to play in whatever way suits you best. And the special design is just the cherry on top, making this console a true collector's item. And with 64 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your favorite games and save files. Plus, with the option to choose between different appearances and package combinations, you can customize your purchase to fit your style. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking: why should I buy this console from this particular store? Well, let me tell you about our after-sales service. We provide a 12-month warranty, and if there are any issues with your product, we're here to help. Plus, our products are packaged with the utmost care, so you can trust that your console will arrive in perfect condition. So, if you're ready to elevate your gaming experience to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Nintendo Switch OLED Pokémon Scarlet and Violet game console. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming.